Welcome to my Vlogmas 4. Thank you for watching and thank you for subscribing and that I'm producing and you're watching me and you haven't subscribed as yet. Do subscribe, click on the subscribe icon, click on the bell icon so you get notified about my next video. It could be a cooking video, it could be just following me around what I'm doing this week. So this week we have been eating out before the tier 3 restrictions came in, and I made sure that I went out and had fun with my daughters and a few of my close friends, because you know, those human relationships, they're so important to keep that mental health going. Can't be all about work, work, work and no play, isn't it? So where are you going to go with me this week? You're going to go first. This is like playing memory, and my memory is not so good at my old age now. But you're going to see me go to a Mexican restaurant with my daughters. We were all quite full. We just went out just because we wanted to spend some time with each other. So we went to this lovely little Mexican restaurant called Chignon. I don't know how to say it. I hope I'm saying it right. In Hatch End, and we had some lovely churros. We also went for a walk to enjoy the beautiful sunshine, saw some lovely swans, went to the aquadrome, and then we went for coffee. What else have I been doing? I went somewhere else as well. Oh yes, we started with Sunday lunch at a pub which had a lovely marquee up for outdoor eating and dining in, and it was done up so beautifully. I went there with my friend. It's called the Artichoke. So actually the vlog will start with the Artichoke and then follow through to Chignon and then follow through to our walk and then catch up with you at the end again. Thank you for watching, like I was saying, and let's head off now. sandwich with, what is it? Pigs and banana.
Cheese. Cream cheese? Tanya, do you taste that? Bacon, sausage.
Yeah. And we are at Cafe Nero. It's a really good sandwich.
Yeah.
Festive sandwich
Have
with
it.
cranberries and pigs and
Mum, have
banana.
that whole half.
And then I'm going to try this one, which is pancetta sausage roll. Surprised to find my girls decorating gingerbread trees. Wonderful.
We're having a competition, by the way. I know I've already.
Tanya, did you start first or last?
We started at the same time. Why?
Really? Look at Ishani's.
I know.
She is winning the race on detail. And Sushmita is a close second.
Artistic.
And Tanya is giving it her best shot. Not bad. Not bad. Not yet decided who's going to win, though.
I think it should be me though. Like mine is more artistic. Sushi is more like cookie cutter, basic.
In my opinion, it will be a Shani.
I agree.
Okay.
Yeah.
And I get to decide who is the winner. It has to be Shani's Christmas tree. And that is Sushmita's. Where's yours, Tanya? Let's go have a look at Tanya's one, so I can actually make a fair decision. Oh, Tanya's already eaten the top of hers. Tanya, that wasn't too bad. But you are third place. Let's now go back and decide who is first place. Should we go for this? Or should we go for this? Ishani, you get first place. Sushmita, very close second. Well done, girl.